What if I told you that one of the oldest secrets to health, vitality, and flavor has been sitting in your kitchen this entire time? It's thyme, a small herb, but with a huge history. From ancient Egypt to medieval battlefields, this humble little plant has been more than just a seasoning. It's been a lifesaver, a healer, and a symbol of strength. But how does thyme really work its magic? Why has it survived thousands of years as one of the most trusted herbs in the world? Stick around, and I'll reveal everything you need to know about this powerhouse herb that's more than just a kitchen staple. Thyme, scientifically known as Thymus vulgaris, is a fragrant herb that belongs to the mint family. But despite its small size, this herb packs a punch. Its tiny leaves are a powerhouse of flavor and medicinal properties. Thyme is native to the Mediterranean region, but its versatility has made it a global favorite for centuries, found in kitchens and medicine cabinets alike. Let's step back in time to ancient Egypt, where thyme was so revered that it was used to preserve mummies. It was believed to carry the essence of strength and vitality. Fast forward a few centuries and thyme became a symbol of courage during the Middle Ages. Knights wore it in their armor for protection, believing it would help them stay brave in battle. It was even used to flavor cheese and preserve meats, which helped during the long, harsh winters. So what makes thyme so effective? The secret lies in its composition. Thyme contains compounds like thymol, carvacrol, and flavonoids, powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory agents that contribute to its medicinal qualities. Thymol in particular is known for its antiseptic properties, making thyme a natural remedy for everything from digestive issues to skin ailments. But thyme isn't just for your kitchen, it's an amazing ally in supporting your health. Let's start with immunity. Thyme is packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, which help boost your immune system and fight off infections. Feeling under the weather? Thyme tea can be your best friend. It soothes sore throats, clears up coughs, and helps you breathe easier. It's also been shown to aid digestion by helping your stomach break down food more efficiently. And let's not forget its anti-inflammatory properties. It can be used as a topical remedy for wounds and skin irritations. Plus, it has been found to have antibacterial properties, making it a go-to herb for fighting harmful bacteria in the body. When it comes to cooking, thyme is, well, a superstar in the kitchen. Whether fresh or dried, it's the perfect herb to add a savory depth of flavor to your soups, stews, roasted meats, and vegetables. You'll find it in Mediterranean, French, and Italian cuisine, and it pairs beautifully with garlic, lemon, and olive oil. Just a few sprigs can elevate an otherwise simple dish into something extraordinary. Making thyme tea is super easy, and the benefits are worth every sip. Here's how you do it. Simply boil some water, then add about a teaspoon of fresh or dried thyme leaves to the water. Let it steep for about 5 minutes. If you want to enhance its taste, add a slice of lemon or a spoonful of honey for a soothing, natural sweetness. Here's a fun fact. Thyme is not just a medicinal herb, it's also a plant of symbolism. In ancient Greece, thyme was thought to bring courage and strength, and it was used as an offering to the gods. Today, it's a symbol of vitality and health, making it the perfect herb to incorporate into your daily life. So, whether you're using it to enhance your meals, improve your health, or simply relax with a warm cup of thyme tea, this little herb has much more to offer than meets the eye. From ancient history to modern-day health benefits, thyme is a true testament to the power of nature. So the next time you reach for that bottle of thyme in your spice rack, remember, you're not just adding flavor, you're adding a piece of history and a dose of wellness to your life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more herbal insights. Until next time, stay healthy, stay herbal.